It doesn't happen that often. Occasionally, you get a hankering, Ethan. You get a hankering for guilty pleasure. This episode, I'm gonna show you guys one of those. It's a bacon cheeseburger crunch wrap. It's like legendary status, perhaps. Certainly not elevated, but it's gonna be delicious. Let me show you how to make it. Now the first thing we're gonna start with is our bacon. Now I'm using Applewood thick cut Wright's bacon because that's the right thing to do. Now we wanna take this nice and extra crispy just like it's for breakfast. Also I'm gonna do 2 pieces per crunch wrap. So let's do four of those. Now while that's cooking, let's get to some of our vegetables. We're going classic here. Lettuce, tomato, onion. I'm using romaine and I really like a finely shredded, not finely, but a shredded lettuce. I feel like it spreads out more evenly. I get more crunch, more lettucey flavor. I'm gonna do the same thing with some tomatoes. Well, not the same thing, something completely different. Thin slices of some tomato and then the red onion. Now you do your onions however you like. I like a red onion nice and thinly sliced so I can kind of sprinkle it around. Now once our bacon is finished, we can go ahead and give it a toss. You know, let's let it keep going. I want extra crispy. Extra crispy. Let's let that go a little bit longer. Let's get to our sauce. Very simple sauce. It's the ketchup, mayo, mustard. I mean, it's not even really a sauce. Is it? It's a sauce, right, Ethan?
I guess defined as a sauce.
It's like the quintessential burger sauce, in my opinion. Mix all that together, and now our bacon is done. Crispy, gorgeous, beautiful bacon. Let's drain that on some paper towel and get to our meatballs. Now, throw some gloves on. Now this, what we're using is 80-20. 80-20 is important because that means it's 80% lean, 20% fat, which is gonna give us a really juicy burger without becoming too greasy. Let's do 3-ish ounce little meatballs. I kind of break this up. I would do 6 total out of this, maybe 7. So let's just do some little meatballs. Loosely packed, don't forget, loosely packed. Let's clean up the griddle a little bit. We don't want some of the leftover bacon, but we do want the bacon fat. Let's pull some of that back and add our meatballs. I'm pulling a CJ Fraser special here. Let the meatball cook for 10-15 seconds before rolling it to expose that little bit of area that's cooked. Then we're gonna smash. That keeps the burger from sticking to your spatula. Easy, huh? So easy.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Let's go ahead and hit that with some of our whiskey burger and let the magic happen. When we notice that Maillard, that crust, that beautiful, gorgeous look, we're gonna give them a flip and immediately go to Cheese Town. Use whatever cheese that you like. I'm going classic here. Maybe classy, Ethan? American cheese.
I see what you did
The
there.
classiest of cheeses. Let's throw some cheese on those. And now we have a decision to make. Do we double stack? We double stack.
Yeah,
okay, we're gonna double stack. Now before we do that, let's go ahead and grab one of our soft flour tortillas. These are the large tortillas. Add some of our sauce to the bottom, then the lettuce, tomato, and onion. You can't have a good bacon cheeseburger without pickles, so be sure to add a few pickles as well. Let's add some of our bacon. Let's do like a piece and a half. I said 2, let's do a piece and a half. And then we have our double stack. I mean, we're already shaping up to be something fantastic. Now we're gonna grab our tostadas. It's like a big giant nacho, little chip. We're gonna put that on top and then start the process. If you've never made a crunch wrap, it's very simple. Just crimp and turn and crimp and turn and crimp and turn. Now we're gonna pop that in the gorgeous bacon fat. There are 2 of us here, Ethan. Let's make 2 double bacon cheeseburger crunch wraps. Because sharing is caring, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
All right, now we're gonna let those toast, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes, depending on how hot you have your griddle. I did turn mine down just a little bit. I want to get as much crispy golden goodness. Is that enough adjectives? I want enough golden crispy goodness. So, I mean, go as fast or as slow as it takes. I'm guessing 2 minutes per side. That sounds about right. Now, once they're done, we're left with these little pockets of glory. Ethan, look at this, buddy. The last thing we gotta do is just cut into one. Which one should we do? Which one?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and give this a cut. We'll go this way. Can you hear?
Oh, I can hear that.
Oh yeah, love that. Now, hopefully, if we did our job correctly, we're going to see all the, yes, yes. See? See?
I see.
See?
I see.
See?
I'm seeing.
Let me get down on this mother. You know. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. Sauce is where it's at. The pickle, the bacon. Just keeping classic classy. That's how we do it. Dang, that's good. There you go. Majestic. Majestic simplicity meets classy something. I don't know. I'm lost. Thank you. I appreciate that. This is a fun one. Players food. Have fun. Crunch wraps. You can put anything. You know what I haven't seen? A breakfast crunch wrap. We haven't done one of those.
You should do one.
I've never eaten one of those. I'm sure they're out there. I'll just do a quick YouTube search. I'm sure most of you, I don't know, I'm gonna make one. That's what I'm gonna do. But for now, be sure to click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a video. Thank you guys for hanging out. Go watch all the other shows on the channel. We have so many different shows now, so much fun content. But this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'm gonna hammer this whole crunch wrap. So good. See you guys.